If you're considering affiliate marketing as a way to earn passive income, you've probably heard of CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. But most people get this wrong. They assume it's just like any other affiliate network. The surprising truth is that CJ Affiliate is one of the most established platforms out there, but it has unique strengths and limitations that you need to understand before signing up. CJ Affiliate connects publishers like bloggers, influencers, or website owners with advertisers who pay commissions for sales or leads generated. The platform is known for its wide range of advertisers, including big brands in retail, finance, travel, and more. This makes it a great starting point if you want to promote reputable companies and products. Signing up is straightforward. You create an account, provide your website or social media details, and wait for approval. Approval is not automatic. Advertisers review your application to ensure your content aligns with their brand. Most people get this wrong by expecting instant access. It can take a few days. Once approved, you can browse the advertiser marketplace and apply to specific programs. Each program has its own commission structure, cookie duration, and rules. For example, a travel booking site may offer 5% per sale, while a finance company could pay a flat $1.50 per qualified lead. Knowing these details is key to maximizing your earnings. One advantage of CJ Affiliate is its robust reporting and tracking system. You can see clicks, impressions, conversions, and commissions in real time. This helps you optimize which products or campaigns are performing best. However, some beginners find the dashboard overwhelming at first. The downside, CJ Affiliate has stricter rules than some newer networks. For instance, you must disclose affiliate links, avoid misleading promotions, and maintain quality content. Non-compliance can lead to suspension or account closure. In conclusion, CJ Affiliate Network is an excellent platform for serious affiliate marketers who want access to reputable brands and reliable tracking. It's ideal if you're willing to follow the rules, invest time in selecting programs, and optimize your campaigns. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to earn without effort, this might not be the best fit. If this review helped you understand how CJ Affiliate works and whether it's right for you, subscribe for more honest affiliate marketing insights and tips to grow your income online.